Hello, NWA! As we kick off our fall season here across Northwest Arkansas, our real estate prices are staying high and inventory is staying low, even as interest rates are rising and the number of closings has dropped from the peaks of previous years. So what does all that mean for you? Well, in just a few minutes, I'll share all the details and break down all the numbers in your September 2023 monthly market update. So don't go away. So are you thinking about making a move to Northwest Arkansas? Well, I've got just the thing for you. My team and I have put together the ultimate relocation guide, which will save you hours of research and a lot of headache. I've linked to it down below in the description. So it's got top employers, the best hospitals, and a ton of other stuff that you need to know before making the move. The best part is it's free. 100% absolutely free. So just click the link in the description or the top pinned comment. I hope that helps. As you can see here, our inventory is hovering right around 4 months of supply, which means we are still in a seller's market as autumn begins to set in. Now, typically we see a more even market as we close out the summer months, with more listings lingering on the market for longer, and you can see that here in our active inventory, and that's giving buyers a chance to lock in a nice home before the end of the year. So in this chart, you can see the number of active and pending homes in August, just slightly lower than our level from July, and that is similar to our peak numbers from last year at this time. And so also our number of closed transactions came back close to 1,000 sales at 953 sales. That's up from last month's numbers, just a little bit higher than that to close out our summer season. Now, as for the number of transactions that are closing, we have seen a drop in activity this year compared to previous years. So we're closing 12% fewer homes this year to date, than the same period in 2022, because we've sold 6,749 as of the end of August, and last year at that time we had done 7,673. So when we compare that to the frenzy year of 2021, we've actually seen a 15% drop in sales activity. However, when compared to a normal market like 2019, we only see really a 7% drop in activity. So these higher interest rates, which we'll explore a little bit later, are definitely having an effect on the number of people who are wanting to make a move within our market. But compared to the rest of the nation, our area is faring very well. So compared to 2019 transaction numbers, many areas around the country are seeing drastic drops in activity. For example, San Diego is down 46%, so not that 7% we're looking at, 46%. Chicago is down 54%. New York down 52%. These cities are having some of the biggest drops in turnover due to fewer homes coming on the market there. So as we've covered before, our May average home sale price had skyrocketed all the way up to $437,000. That was an all-time record for our area. Then the June number ticked down just slightly to $429,000. Then our July number fell all the way back down to around $400,000, and that's kind of the baseline that I'm expecting. And then our August number bounced back up to $412,288. Now our median price also held steady this month from July's $342,500 to August staying close right here at $341,990. Now, I expect this average pricing level to continue, again, as I said, around $400,000 at least into the fall. As we see a rebound in inventory and as interest rates remain high, we will start to see a more balanced market this fall and winter. So prices should normalize, and I don't expect to see new highs for the rest of the year, although again, slight fluctuations up and down, totally normal for our market. As for the average price per square foot around the area, those held steady at around $200 a square foot this month. You can see that across Benton and Washington County. And then Bentonville was actually up to $220 a square foot on average for our August closings. Fayetteville was $210 a square foot on average. Of course, over the last 2 years, the big story in real estate is these mortgage rates. And 2 years ago, they were below 3%. And then they started their march in 2022 all the way up to about 7%. Then they did come back down almost to 6% earlier this year. Now they've been on the rise again, and we're currently sitting at about 7.2% on the 30-year fixed average mortgage rate across the US. So this is keeping mortgage payments largely unaffordable for many potential buyers, which is creating a dampening effect on the true pent-up demand for homes. So that's why we're recommending buyers to actually take advantage of these opportunities that we're going to see this fall in order to scoop up a good deal. We should start to see more inventory, a bit longer days on market, and we're going to start to see sellers who are going to be willing to negotiate a bit more as that buyer pool shrinks. Let's use that to your advantage. Right now, I'm seeing a big window of opportunity for buyers as more inventory should start to build into these slower months. So if you've been thinking about making a move, now might be a really good time because you can shop as we slide into a slower market, often with price reductions, especially on the larger properties, and then you'll have less competition. And if rates drop in the coming years, you'll be able to refinance for increased savings at that time, but you bought at today's prices. So if mortgage rates fall in the future, I'm going to expect another flood of buyers to be coming into the market and again competing for the homes that are available. And so in that scenario, prices are going to jump even higher from these current levels, especially as more inflation is created. Seems like the Federal Reserve keeps making money even as they are increasing the interest rates. There is going to be more currency introduced into our economy in the coming years, and usually that means higher real estate prices, just supply and demand. So locking in a good price right now might be a really smart bet. So then if you can refinance into a lower rate, you'll actually have the best of both worlds because you got today's price and tomorrow's hopefully lower interest rates. But then again, if interest rates rise from here, you'll be happy you bought now instead of later. So reach out to us. We can put you in touch with our lender partners who can fill you in on all your options, including mortgage programs that may even allow you to buy down your rate. Now also, we've put together a program to find the hidden inventory off-market homes for all of our clients without the hassle and competition from all those other buyers. This has been and will continue to be our #1 strategy to get you and your family out of your current home and into your dream home. So let's see what we can find together. On our website, just go to Buy a House Dream Home Finder program, and that will pull up this video where I'll show you how we can find the overlooked, the up and coming, and the off-market homes to make sure you're not missing any potential opportunities. Plus, just leave your email address right here, and we'll send you a ton of bonus guides and videos and checklists. It's really great stuff. Make sure to check that out. Well, that's it for your September monthly market update. Once again, I'm COLLEY Bailey with the LoneRock team here at Fathom Realty. Reach out to us. We'd be happy to help whenever the time is right for you. And in the meantime, look, go enjoy some gorgeous fall weather we're having right now. Spend some time outdoors here in Northwest Arkansas, and I'll catch you on the next one.